Rocking out together, exploring musical bonding. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fun and energetic world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, rocking out together. This phrase is not just about music. It's about connection, enjoyment, and sharing experiences. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. Rocking out together refers to enjoying music passionately with others, usually in a lively and energetic manner. It's not just listening to music. It's about engaging with it, dancing, singing along, or playing instruments. The phrase conveys a sense of community and shared enthusiasm for the music being played. It's about the collective experience of letting go and immersing oneself in the moment. The term, rocking out, originally comes from the rock music scene, where fans would physically express their enjoyment of the music through headbanging, jumping, or other forms of energetic movement. Over time, the phrase has evolved to encompass any form of enthusiastic and passionate music enjoyment, regardless of the genre. When we say, together, it emphasizes the communal aspect of the experience, highlighting the importance of sharing these moments with friends or fellow music enthusiasts. Rocking out together can be used in various contexts. You might hear someone say, "We were rocking out together at the concert last night," indicating they had a great time enjoying the music with others. It can also be used figuratively to describe any shared activity done with great enthusiasm and joy. For example, after finishing the project, we were rocking out together in celebration. The phrase, rocking out together, also reflects the cultural impact of music and how it brings people together. Music festivals, concerts, and jam sessions are perfect examples of where you can see this phrase come to life. These events foster a sense of unity and belonging among attendees, demonstrating the powerful role music plays in creating shared experiences and memories. We hope this video has shed some light on the vibrant phrase, rocking out together. It's a testament to the joy and connection music can bring into our lives, especially when shared with others. Whether you're at a concert, listening to music with friends, or just enjoying a song that resonates with you, remember the beauty of rocking out together. Thank you for watching, and we hope this enhances your understanding and appreciation of English idioms and expressions. Keep rocking, everyone!